Hi folks, today I want to share a rumor about the potentially fastest zoom lens ever made. A 1.4 constant aperture full-frame zoom lens that is likely to be announced in 2026, and I want to share the details about this lens and also give my opinion about how likely this is going to happen. But before that, a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button to not miss any of the upcoming rumors. According to a reliable leaker that works on the platform Weibo, this is a Chinese sort of version of X.com, there will be a new full-frame autofocus fast zoom lens for the Sony Lmount system coming from a Chinese manufacturer, and this is already a first for Chinese manufacturers. As you know, so far they only make primes, and in the past years we saw them evolving from low quality, low price primes offering to high quality and still low price offerings. For example, Viltrox have made a name with lenses like, for example, 85 1.4 full frame autofocus lens that is high quality, has reliable autofocus, still not on par with Sony and Sigma, but they are getting closer and still a very low price. And now we will finally get the first zoom lenses in 2026, so this is already news. And this is reliable. I'm 100% sure this is going to happen. But according to the leaker, one of the first zoom lenses we're going to see in 2026 is going to be a 35 to 50 millimeter zoom lens, full frame autofocus lens for the Sony Lmount system. About that, I'm also 100% certain that this is going to be true. But the source added this is going to be a very fast zoom lens, which makes sense because 35 to 50 millimeter, if it would be 2.8, nobody would buy it. Even 2.0 wouldn't be enough. This source thinks it's going to be a 1.4, making it the world's fastest zoom lens ever made. I think it's going to be 1.4 because the focal length range only makes sense if it's a 1.4, not 2.0, 1.8. It needs to be 1.4, just as the leaker suggested. But still, this info is not 100% confirmed. The fastest full-frame zoom lens we have right now is the Sigma 28 to 45mm 1.8 for the Sony E and Leica Lmount system. This new lens would beat it in terms of aperture. So this is quite amazing. And the Chinese source says that he cannot unveil what manufacturer is going to release that lens. We know of many manufacturers like Viltrox, TT Artisans, 7 Artisans, Sirui, Venus Optics and so forth that are releasing more and more high quality primes. So potentially I think Viltrox is the hottest candidate for releasing a zoom lens like this, an autofocus zoom lens. So my guess is that we are going to see a Viltrox 35 to 50mm 1.4 full frame autofocus E-mount lens in 2026. The goal of that lens is basically to replace two fast primes and make so that you can use one lens that covers both focal range. So if you think about a Sony 35 1.4 GM and a Sony 50mm 1.4 GM, imagine having both lenses in one lens. Of course, that it would be a bigger lens, but you wouldn't lose time to swap the lenses, or you wouldn't have to buy two lenses. You just buy one lens. Probably is very affordable. That covers everything. And this is quite something curious. Of course, we have to see how this lens will be priced, how big it is, usable, how the image quality will be for a zoom lens that is 1.4. But still, very exciting. I think it's exciting that Chinese manufacturers are trying to innovate also when it comes to the specs of the lens. So not only by copying lenses that are made by Japanese manufacturers, making them cheaper, but also offering something unique. And the second good news the source shared is that this is actually not the only full-frame autofocus zoom lens coming from Chinese manufacturers in 2026. There will be multiple zoom lenses coming from multiple manufacturers. So not only Viltrox, but also other manufacturers are working on zoom lenses for the Sony E-mount system first. So we have to see, maybe Leica Lmount is an option because Viltrox wants to work with the Leica Lmount. So this could be also a possible market for them. But definitely 2026 we're getting many full-frame autofocus zoom lenses, and one of the zoom lenses will be the 35-50mm, likely 1.4. This is all I wanted to share today. Let me know in the comment system what you think about this new 35 to 50mm 1.4 full frame E-mount lens, if you would consider to buy it or not, if it's just a halo product to attract attention and then it will not sell, or if you think it will sell. The important thing here is zoom lenses from Chinese manufacturers are coming, and this will be also a problem for Japanese manufacturer, because they have to step up the game and make new products that are still more advanced than Chinese lenses. But this is all good news for us photographers. We will have more options, more different unique lenses, so this is only great news. Folks, that's it for today, and see you soon.